So this is the Dragon Touch 10-inch Wi-Fi digital photo frame. So I did open it a little bit before because I wanted to figure out how it worked and stuff like that, but I'm gonna show you here what it looks like opening it. So here you go. So this is the just a little foam. Here's the quick start guide, which in it there's like a QR code that you can scan, and then you've got the full manual from that. And but you use the app to do it. Just warranty card, and then this is the front frame here. So we can open this up and see what this looks like. So that's what it looks like there. And we can peel off, you know, and it's got the getting started, which is very informative because that's what I did. I didn't even look at the manual. I just kind of looked at the first 3 or 4 of those and was able to get it all working. So this is it. And then inside the little accessory box here, we have the power cord and a little USB cord so you can upload pictures from your computer or whatnot, and then a cleaning cloth. So I'm gonna plug this in and show you how it works. So the first time you plug it in, it's gonna ask for the Wi-Fi thing. It basically comes up as the first screen is the Wi-Fi thing. So it's not gonna do that this time because I already set it up in my Wi-Fi. Oh, and then it comes with this right here, which depending on if you want it facing this way or this way, well, actually it really doesn't matter because you screw it into the corner anyway. So it's the stand. So hello. So it'll stand up that way or this way if you want it long. So that's it. So it should be loading up, I think. Or did I push a button on it? Oh, there it is. So this is what it looks like. And you know, if you wanted to see your videos that you had uploaded, I did upload one of my little videos here. So I have a video, you can see that. So it does work with videos and it works with photos too. So I don't know if I have any photos that I did because I was playing around and deleting them and stuff. So there's really no photos here now. But so it's all just really on there. And what's cool about it is I think it's an Android tablet because you can see like it has this thing here for the weather because I set it up for Dallas where I live. I can see the weather and everything. So it's pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. And it works really well. I mean, there's settings on here. And then on the phone, basically you just have an app and then it sends it to the cloud and sends it here. So if I go and put this in like my grandma's house or my mom's house or somebody's house, if I leave it out there, then I can send the pictures from my phone wherever I am to there. So they always have the most recent pictures, and you can see like there's my little code. So if somebody writes down that code and then they send me pictures from the app, they're gonna be sending me pictures to this frame here. And I'm gonna keep this one, I think, for myself and just put it up there so I can have pictures of my kids and whatnot easily on there. So that's it. So it's the Dragon Touch 10-inch photo frame, and the pictures you see, I mean, this quality is just amazing. It looks so good. It looks like a picture when there's a picture on there. It's just really cool. I love it.